Hello, welcome to my channel. And this is, yes, I know a lot of stuff is going on, lot of political ups and downs, news ups and downs, but this is what it is. Uh, ES has been roaming around this 6550 to 6661 to 6800, and currently the congestion is between these two aqua lines, 6725, 6625, or 6550. So these spikes has been, getting bought up, and it is closing above this, only one close below, and since then it is up. So either it needs to decide to go below this and then try for this early 6500, or go above 67.25 and then try for the all-time high. And generally, if it wants to stay between this, then your targets are around 68.89, 69.80, and 70.57. So that's what we are looking for. Possibly, maybe, towards the year end or start of the year, around that we can get the upper portion done, but immediate target would be around here. And we have the earnings coming in. Tech earnings will be coming starting this week onwards. So this is the bigger picture. Right now we are here. So this 6800 got rejected, and then this, it's trying to be around here, and this is holding, so it hasn't gone below this. So if it goes below this, then you have 6241 as one of the bigger supports, and only below this we can say, okay, we are trying to get bearish, and then you get into this red zone. And if it stays above 67.25, then you have 68.89 to 70.57, these three. So this is the bigger picture. Currently we are in the middle, or at the upper half of the middle, so in this portion, and we need to decide whether it gets the green or it still wants to go on the lower side, and red comes much later than that. NQ, okay, NQ is also similar, again, tight range. It above 25,000, it tries to try for 25 and a half, and then above that, if it can hold 25,000 and keeps trying for above, then the next zone would be around 28,000. 25 to 28,000, that window gets opened. This is your chop zone, 24,500, and below that you have 24,000. This is one of the bigger supports. um, we'll get bearish only below this, but here it is still trying to trying to figure out and work around its strength around 25,000. So that's where it is. RTY. RDY, I think 2500 is a big major issue for it. It has been for a very, very long time, but 2335, 2350, it's where its sweet spot is. And as long as it keeps holding here, I think it may try again to 2500. So this 2500 gets stable, then you have again these numbers open for it. YM, I think YM is also 46,000, 47,000. 47,000 is a major hit, because after this you have the big 50,000, the golden jubilee number. So that's where it is trying, to resist itself. So again, one thing which I'm noticing is, watch here. Uh, how do you get, okay, see, A, B, C goes here, and ES again, A, B, C, this. Now, if at all this is a bullish setup, then this ABC will directly take it to later 6800 or 6889 is our number here. So that's what I'm seeing. Mostly, if this ABC plays out. Otherwise, it has to trade below the aqua line at some point to get bearish. But as long as it is above the upper aqua, this ABC can still play out to higher. And of course, VIX, it got its glory day from 16 to 29, I think. Yeah, 29 it went, and then boom, it came back. Now, if it can settle below 19.6 and slowly lose 18, then the bullish ABC on ES can get confirmed. Um, and we are on the happy path. Of course, the news coming in, it can make it volatile, but at some point it will have to pick up a direction. And with the earnings coming in, end of the year coming in, Santa rally coming in, it's possible that if at all the earnings are a little bit better in the sense of guidance is okay, or not very bad news coming in, then that itself will be enough for it to push higher. So on Friday we had, a lot of tariffs, a lot of this, a lot of that, and then over the weekend we are talking, we are negotiating, and then all happy path. So the index hasn't gotten a chance to play itself out to the downside. But again, the only thing I am personally looking at is these these two aqua lines. Above this I'll be bullish, below this I'll be bearish, in between here is chop 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 chop. So that's where it is, and we'll see how it opens. The market has opened up, now it'll go and fill the gap, and then after that 67.25 plus we'll try to go higher.